Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to compare Upwork with Fiverr. So I have done freelancing on both the platform and I'm going to share my experience. And if you are just starting out in a freelancing career, then which platform is best for you. So before moving ahead in this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and like the video if you found this information informative. So I have done freelancing on Fiverr as well as on Upwork. Both the platform has its own advantages and disadvantages. So in the beginning of my freelancing journey, I started my journey on Fiverr. So let's start with the Fiverr. So I started my freelance journey on Fiverr. So Fiverr is good platform. You only have to create a listing, like if you offer any kind of service like web design or on SEO, or you have to create a listing and you have to optimize the listing for ranking or higher on Fiverr. So if someone search for SEO service, so they can see your listing there and he can buy your package. So they offer package, so their clients have option to buy packages. Also, keep this in mind, both platform Fiverr and Upwork charge commission. So that's really sad thing about these platforms. So Fiverr also charge 20% commission of each sales. Reason I stopped working on Fiverr is because most of the clients are looking for cheap work. It's cheap platform. Most of clients see this platform as a cheap marketplace where they can hire services for cheaper price. So if you are logo design, they want everything for $5 or $10. That's why I quit this platform, because this is not profitable, and if you want to charge higher prices, then you cannot hire on Fiverr. Everyone is looking for cheap pricing. So that's because there are so many sellers who are offering the same service for really cheap price, and that's make this platform not good for long term. If you want to stay profitable, if you want to build career as a freelancer, then Fiverr is not good for that. So this is the one of the biggest reason I quit doing freelancing on Fiverr. And so now let's talk about the Upwork, why I prefer Upwork over the Fiverr. So if I talk about myself, I'm top rated seller on Upwork, and I have earned more than $10,000 to $15,000 on Upwork in 12 months. In Upwork, the biggest advantage is that if you want more sustainable and if you want to charge higher prices for your service, you can do that on Upwork. And Upwork clients on Upwork really look for quality work, and if you are lucky, if you know how to bid on Upwork, how to send proposal on Upwork, then you can really convert really good client on Upwork. So on Upwork, I found clients with whom I signed a contract for $2,000 to $3,000 to $4,000. So that's why, if you want to work with quality clients who really appreciate your work, who is looking for quality work, who can really pay for your hard work, then Upwork is best platform. There are few drawbacks on Upwork, like in order to propose or bid on the project, you have to spend connects, like you have to buy those connects. So you have to be really careful while proposing, while sending contract. And if we talk about the competition, on both platform has really tough competition. In the beginning, you have to be consistent and sending proposals every day. You might face difficulty in getting your first project and you're getting your first review. And if we talk about the fees, both platform charges 20% on Upwork till $500. Till you earn $500 from a single client, they will charge 20% commission from till that 500. And once you cross the 500 mark earning for one client, then cost will reduce to 10%. So if you earn $500, then after $500 Upwork will charge 10%. And once you reach the 10,000 mark, then with that same client, Upwork will reduce its fees to 5%. So this is the Upwork fee structure. So both platforms are going to charge commission from your earnings. So that's one of the drawback, but I hope you found this information informative. And if you are starting out, then I suggest you to start with Upwork, because this is the platform where you can work longer time and where you can build and grow really good career. And I have seen companies like in India, in Mohali, most of the companies are running through Upwork. You can literally run your company via Upwork. So I'm not saying because I'm using it. I'm used Fiverr, and even my friends also used who is a developer who used Fiverr, and he was really fed up with Fiverr because he's not getting clients more than $50 or $40 for a development project. So on Upwork he's earning really good money, and he found really good clients. If you're taking freelancing in a long term, and then you should go with Upwork. Competition going to be hard on both the platform. If you check the Google Trends screenshot, you can see both platform is popular. Fiverr is even more popular than the Upwork, but still if you stay focused, stay patient, and consistently bid on work, then you will definitely going to get projects. So I hope if you found this video helpful, then make sure you hit the subscribe button. I have shared so many information how to get clients, how I get clients. I'm just a beginner and I really did go well in terms of freelancing. Now I'm sharing all the information with you so that you can start your journey, and you can have your financial and time freedom. See you in the next video. Till then, enjoy.